Do you always find yourself in a situation where you avoid work, study, long-term goals and get indulged in more activities like scrolling through social media that gives you an instant gratification? If yes, then watch the video till the end to learn the science behind procrastination and find actionable steps to stop procrastinating. Psychology claims that procrastination is an emotional issue rather than time management issue. Most of the times it is about fear of failing, fear of making a mistake, lack of confidence and indecisiveness. It's our brain's battle between short-term pleasure and long-term goals. Our brain naturally seeks for the instant gratification over the tasks that require effort. Now let's talk about the science. Skip to this part if you're not interested, but if you're a science freak, then keep watching. The limbic system, which is a dominant part of the brain, operates automatically to perform basic survival instincts. It controls the reflex action which doesn't require any conscious thought. When our hand touches something hot, we don't think whether we should move the hand away or not. Hand automatically moves away immediately. It's the limbic system in work, which is set up to perform our basic survival instincts. On the other hand, the prefrontal cortex, which is a weaker portion of the brain, plays a vital role in cognitive functions like decision making, planning, and emotional regulation. It helps us accomplish our task and achieve our goals. But its functioning is not automatic. We need to consciously engage it. According to science, this is the part of the brain that really separates humans from animals who are just controlled by stimulus. Procrastination is a battle between these two systems. When you have a task, the prefrontal cortex acts as a planner while the limbic system wants relief from all the stress of having to complete the task. As a result, we tell ourselves that we'll do the work tomorrow, but that tomorrow never comes. According to Dr. Brewer, our brain has a habit loop that is typically assigned for our survival. It involves trigger, behavior, and reward. We see food, eat it, and then we feel good because of the brain's release of dopamine. However, the same habit loop can also cause procrastination. Let's say you have a mundane task that you don't want to do, or you feel overwhelmed by the complexity of a task. The thought of doing it triggers an unpleasant feeling, so the limbic system takes over the prefrontal cortex and you end up procrastinating. By avoiding the task, you experience relief for some time, but that relief doesn't last. The cycle continues, making you procrastinate even more. It becomes a vicious cycle of procrastination. Now, how to stop procrastinating? 1. Break down tasks and give yourself reward once you have finished. When you have a large or complex task and you feel overwhelmed or indecisive because you don't know where to begin, then you end up procrastinating. Break it down into manageable chunks and then treat yourself once you have finished it. Dopamine is released when you receive a reward, increasing your likelihood of finishing the entire task to get more dopamine. 2. Mindfulness. The key to ending distractive habit loops is mindfulness. And how do we do it? Well, next time when you find yourself procrastinating, take a pause and remind yourself how terrible you feel after procrastinating. Starting with the feelings of guilt and then anxiety creeps in. How do you feel? Do you feel any good? Absolutely not. Then think back to the instances when you completed your tasks and felt so happy and proud of yourself. Remind yourself that you will go from feeling guilty and anxious to feeling happy and proud of yourself if you complete the task, if you hit the gym, if you work on yourself, your goals and your ambitions. 3. Set deadlines. This is for the procrastinators who are adrenaline junkies and wait until the very last moment to start any project because they thrive under pressure. They do it because they enjoy the last minute tension, and I am guilty of it. So I prefer to set an internal deadline that is earlier than the actual deadline. Well, this gives me the buffer time to complete the task. And 4, which goes without saying, remove distractions. Remove your phone or any distractions when you're working or studying. Consider implementing these small yet effective changes to overcome procrastination. And most importantly, take note of all these tips and apply it. Take action. If you're just watching the videos without taking any actions, then that is also procrastination. So watch the video, pause and write it down on your notepad and take action. And once you take actions, then share your experience in the comments below. If you have found this video helpful, then give it a like. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends who procrastinate and subscribe for more such videos. This is Ananya signing off for today. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.